Homework 7.4a, Level 1. You're using the formula a plus b times a minus b for the first question. So the formula is a plus b times a minus b, and that is a square minus b square. You have to just recognize what is my a. My a is x, my b is 6, and plug it in here. I'm going to plug it in a square as x square. So x square, b square means 6 square. And then the final answer is x square minus 36. Similarly, for the next one, the formula is a square minus b square, where my a is x, b as 2. A square means x square, b square means 2 square, and the final answer a x square minus 4. Number 16, this is a minus b square. If it is a minus b square, I'm going to write down the formula on the bottom. And then the formula was a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here, all I have to do is recognize my a as b. So my a is b and my b is 2. So this is going to be a minus b. I'm going to just write in a small letter so that I recognize that here for a square I'm going to use this b. So a square means b square here. Minus 2ab means minus 2 times b times 2. B square means 2 square, and I'm going to plug it in. So a square means b square because my a is b. Minus 2 times b times 2, b times 2. Plus b square means 2 square. Rewrite this, b square minus 4b plus 4. Do not get confused with the letters because in the formula it's also a and b, and it's here also b in it. For number 18, the formula is a square plus 2ab plus b square, where I'm going to use a as n and b as 6. A as n, b as 6, and plugging in for the formula here. So a square means n square plus 2ab means 2n times 6 plus b square means 6 square. Rewrite this, so that's going to be n square plus 12n plus 36. For 25, we're going to see what is the error in this one. Again, the formula should be a plus 2ab plus b square, where a is k, b is 4. So we should have here is a square, which is k square, plus 2 times k times 4, plus b square, which means plus 4 square, and when you rewrite is k square plus 8k plus 16. So that's your answer. Whereas in this one, you're going to write k square plus 16. That's wrong because the k term or the x term is missing. In the binomial, we should have x term. This is in a standard form, k square plus 8k plus 16, and we always write all the equation or polynomial in standard form. For question number 8, this is a plus b times a minus b, or a minus b times a plus b, and the formula for that is a square minus b square. where we're going to consider a as z and b as 8. So a square means z square, 8 square. So z square minus 8 square, that's going to be z square minus 64. And that's your answer. For number 10, again, it's going to be a square minus b square because it's a one with the plus sign, one with the negative sign. So the formula is a plus b times a minus b is a square minus b square, where a is 2x and b is 1. So a square means 2x square, b square means 1 square, and then the answer is 4x square minus 1. The last one, number 20 for level 2, is the formula that is a minus b square. That is a binomial square where a square minus 2ab plus b square is the expansion, where a is 2f, b is 1. All I have to do is plug it in into this formula. So for this, you're going to use a square means 2f square minus 2ab means negative 2 times a times b, negative 2 times 2f times 1, plus b square means 1 square, 2f square means 4f square, 2 times 2 would be 4f, plus 1 square means 1. So the answer is 4f square minus 4f plus 1. For level 3, question number 14, you're going to apply the same formula, a square minus b square, where you're going to consider a as 8 and b as 3m. So the formula, when you apply, you're going to get the 8 square minus 3m square, and which is going to give you 64 minus 9m square. You're going to rewrite this to make sure that you have a highest degree in the front, 9m square plus 64. Next is you're going to apply a minus b whole square formula. So a minus b square formula is a square minus 2ab plus b square, where a is going to be 4b and b is 5. So that's going to be 4b square minus 2 times 4b times 5 plus 5 square. 16b square minus 2 times 4 is 8 times 5. 40b plus 5 square, that is 25. So the answer is 16b square minus 40b plus 25. Next you have a formula for a plus b whole square. So that's going to be a square plus 2ab plus b square, where a is 4, 2a, b is 7t, plus b square, that is 7t square. And you're going to write this into a standard form. So the 7t square, that is 49t square in the front. 2 times 4 is 8 times 7 is 56t plus 4 square, that is 16. So what I did is I wrote this term in the front and then this one in the middle and then the constant on the last.